Hi viewers. All students of class 12th has now completed their school education and is now preparing to take the next step of their life, that is the higher education. At HiAbba, we are constantly supporting and guiding students to take the right career. So today we have an interactive section in order to explain the students the opportunities of legal education. Kindly introduce yourself to the viewers.
I have a lot of experience in legal education, having more than 35 years in being a professor, an administrator in the government institutions, Tamil Nadu Dr. Ambedkar Law University, and private institutions like Hindustan School of Law, SRM School of Law, and now I am required to administer the St. Joseph's University School of Law.
My first question is that for the audience, sir, could you please kindly tell us that what is the difference that you are trying to tell us about the School of Law from the other universities and the specialities that you're trying to provide in your School of Law?
Yes, here St. Joseph's University is a state private university established under the State Private Universities Act of 2019 of the Government of Tamil Nadu. The Tamil Nadu government has recognized it as a state university, and under the state university, which has all the other disciplines of study, we have a School of Law also established, and it is duly approved by the Bar Council of India. As all the schools of law, all the centers of legal education have to be recognized and approved by the Bar Council of India. So our School of Law is also approved by the Bar Council of India. And the St. Joseph's University has a strong background. This university has the support of the DFT Foundation. The founder father, Reverend Father Dr. Arul Raj, he has established institutions worldwide, not only in India. It has institutions in several countries in the world, and in India also in several states. The university is like that. So we have the strong support base of a strong foundation, and the School of Law is affiliated to St. Joseph's University.
So, what are the courses and programs that has been offered in the School of Law?
Our School of Law is offering the 5-year integrated courses as well as 3-year course. The 5-year integrated courses include BA LLB Honors, BBA LLB Honors. The 3-year course is LLB Honors. So all our programs are honors programs. That is a special program approved by the Bar Council of India, having extensive knowledge, and the students who are coming out of the School of Law having honors degree programs will come out with more than 8 additional innovative modern subjects. And our School of Law is also offering PG programs in 3 disciplines: criminal law, cyber law, and corporate law. It has a research program, PhD law, also offered by the School of Law of St. Joseph's University.
So, sir, other than the regular courses that is offered, what are the value-based courses that are that you are offering to the students other than the regular courses?
Our School of Law aims to make all the students social justice oriented, as well as the technology based, supportive, infrastructure based courses are also introduced. These are called value added courses, and these courses are from a range of subjects like cyber forensics, biotechnology and IPR, intellectual property rights, and the modern innovative areas of artificial intelligence. And all these are given in different value added courses and sometimes non credit courses also.
So, the students who have completed their their 12th standard, who have taken science as their subject, can they pursue law?
Yes, the BA LLB honors subject is exclusively modeled to cater to the needs of those students who come from all streams of plus 2 education. They can come from science stream or even math stream. They might have thought of joining a medical college or an engineering college, but both streams of education are welcome to law because nothing human is alien to law. So law program can embrace all the talented students, both from science stream as well as from math stream, as well as the commerce and business management area. So we are offering BBA LLB honors in order to cater to the need of those students who have studied from the third group it is called, that is history, sociology and accountancy, commerce and that group. So we are ready to offer the programs to all the students including science educated students.
So, could you please explain about the infrastructure that you're providing at your School of Law?
Yes, this School of Law is aimed to meet the higher standards, and the founding father, Right Reverend Father Arul Raj, has reiterated that this institution must aim to become a global law school. So we are modeling our curriculum, syllabus, regulations, as well as the program in a globalized form. The structure is given like that. So infrastructure is also to cater to the needs. So structure of the program is modeled on global standards, and the infrastructure of the law school also meet the global standards, like computer lab, language lab, moot court hall,
Okay.
and an extensive big library having books on all the disciplines of study. And our School of Law can face problems from the common man. So Legal Aid Center for the counseling and consultancy in law related matters are also offered in our School of Law. And as per the mandate of the Bar Council of India, as per the rules of legal education 2008, the entire legal education is modeled on that. So the curriculum, the papers, the syllabus, the subjects, the program, examination, all these are based on the Bar Council of India reiterated program studies.
So, to understand the quality of the education that you're providing at your School of Law, could you please give a idea to our viewers about the faculties that you are having at the School of Law?
We have so many ideas of developing the students' talents. So we have faculty from teaching soft skills, but we have also technology assistants from the engineering department also, because BBA has the schedules and programs which are based on the ICT. So ICT trained faculty are also there. So in our School of Law, we have language studies, both Tamil, French language studies also offered, as well as the English language, two subjects are there. The communicative English as well as English for lawyers are the subjects offered. Apart from that, the faculty members are trained in different disciplines like business law, corporate law, criminal law, constitutional law, international law, administrative law, and in all the fields, all the faculty members are selected as per the need to teach each specialized courses from a specialized background. And the teachers are able to provide them a kind of emphasis on the interface between industry and academia, as well as social justice oriented atmosphere. So that is why the faculty of School of Law are fully equipped to make the students practice ready lawyers. And once they come out of the law school, they can simply be a lawyer or be an administrator to support policy making decisions of industries, everything they can do. Because of the IPR specialization, they can even become IPR lawyers. They can represent in tribunals where the company law matters are there. So the faculty is fully equipped from different disciplines of study, so that the School of Law can train all kinds of students who expect the futuristic, prognostic things, where they can become corporate lawyers, they can become criminal lawyers, they can also become writ jurisdiction specialized lawyers for constitutional matters. So all these things are trained in our School of Law.
So, what is the difference between this 5-year LLB course and the 3-year LLB course?
The rules of legal education 2008 has mandated that the integrated 5-year degree course must have any major subject like political science or economics, minor subjects like sociology and economics. So if you take the major courses, political science and economics and sociology, they are minor courses. So we are introducing 15 pre-law courses for the 5-year integrated programs, which are not offered for the 3-year LLB programs. In the 3-year LLB programs, the students are offered only law courses and internship as well as the clinical courses. As per the rules of legal education, we are supposed to offer 20 core law subjects, 4 clinical law subjects, 6 optional law subjects, and since we are teaching honors course, 8 honors specialized courses are also offered in our School of Law. So as per the integrated course, we are giving 15 pre-law subjects apart from the regular law subjects which are offered for the 3-year law LLB course.
So once the students finish studying their LLB, that is once they pass out, how is the School of Law helping them? Is there any placements for the students that you are providing in your institution?
Yes, this is a very important aspect that you have touched upon. Every School of Law in the vicinity, they have a placement cell separate because the corporate lawyer's requirement is more in the modern world. The advocacy lawyering, litigation lawyering is also there. But at the same time, there are more opportunities for corporate lawyers because the corporate firms are seeking proper lawyers well equipped in business law and corporate law with ICT technology base. So our School of Law trains the students for getting placement as soon as they come out of the law school. They can become judges, they can become litigation lawyers, they can fight for political aspirations, they can also serve the society in different capacities. But at the same time, there are more opportunities to become corporate lawyers in honors courses because many subjects and programs that we are offering are based on that.
So is there any eligibility criteria for the students who have just passed out from school, that is these 12 students? Is there any eligibility criteria for them to get admissions in the School of Law?
Yes, our School of Law, as per the guidance of our university, they mandate that students who have higher marks in their plus 2 are only admitted. At the same time, due to the provision of scholarship schemes, our students, many students can avail the different scholarships, merit based or physical challenge based or social background based, first graduate based. So many scholarships are offered by the School of Law. Making use of those scholarships, the students will be able to come out. But at the same time, we are insisting that the standards cannot be compromised. So that is why we give preference to students who have higher merits. At the same time, we have a separate program for slow learners. We have separate remedial coaching programs by the faculty for those who are unable to easily come out of their misapprehensions and problems because of their earlier studies in rural schools. So we are providing everything for a student who even hail from a rural school, but at the same time they might have got good marks. They may face difficulties in communicative skills. So our language lab facility is providing their soft skills training, and the teachers are also training them under remedial coaching measures also. The slow learners are identified and they are taken care of.
So for slow learners, there are different sessions that has been taken after the class.
Yes.
In order to help them
Yes,
improve
that is a
their
very important
language.
thing. The University Grants Commission
Okay.
has also mandated that the slow learners' identity is to be properly ascertained, and every educational institution must take care of the slow learners through remedial coaching and special coaching sessions. So that in the School of Law we are following.
Sir, other than the curriculum, what are the co-curricular activities that are provided at your School of Law?
Our students have different clubs which are led by students themselves. There is a moot court club where the students who are winning the intramural moot court competitions will be representing our institution in the All India National Moot Court competitions and the several international moot court competitions offered. There are many competitions international level in United States, the Philip Jessup, the William C. Wiss arbitration moot court competition, the Sydney based space law moot court competition. So all these competitions are represented by the moot court society trained people. So there is a moot court society. The students are manning this society. They are running it.
Sir, as you as you kept telling about the moot court, so could you please give an idea as what is a moot court to the viewers so that they can get an idea as to what is the whole idea of moot court is?
Yes, it is a very important question. Moot court is actually based on an Anglo-Saxon program in United Kingdom, where the educators and those who are interested in learning law, they would be given moot problems. The problems are systemized in such a way that there will be some issues which are undecided and which can be debated. So these issues will be framed in the problem, and these problems will be given to the students. They will find the issues, prepare some compromise or memorial, and they will submit it, and they will be appearing before the judges who are professors and who are trained lawyers as well as who are trained mooters. They will be judging the talents of the students. They will argue on the basis of the problem that is given to them, and then on the basis of the issues framed by them. The decision will be by the judges who won the moot. So moot is a similarity of a court proceeding, but it is not court proceeding. That is why it is called moot court.
Sir, you have mentioned about the internship. So, is it mandatory for all the students who have enrolled for LLB to do mandatory internship? If yes, then what kind of internship? Where can they apply for internship? Can you please give an idea about the internship?
Yes, it's also a very important area, because the Bar Council of India has mandated that every student undergoing education in law, they must have at least 5 years means 9 internship courses, and 3 year means 6 internship courses. Internship is, these students have to go to the chambers of lawyers and observe court proceedings, and then they have to train themselves in drafting plaints as well as legal documents. So all this training they have to undergo, duly certified by an advocate of their choice. Internship diary is to be maintained and duly signed by the advocate and duly submitted to the faculty in charge for the internship. So this is a practice mandated by the Bar Council of India. As per the mandate, our law school also is offering this internship program, and the students have to go to the lawyers of their choice, no doubt about it, and the court of their choice. They may go to the High Court, they may go to the City Civil Court, they can go to the subordinate courts, they can go to magistrate courts, they can go to any court, but they have to observe and write in their internship diary what happened in that court on that particular day. So this will be appreciated by the faculty in charge, and marks will be awarded based on that.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable insights. We will soon see you all in the next episode. Thank you for watching.
Thank you very much.